start the topic volume of cylinder. First of all, we understand the formula. Formula is volume of cylinder is equals pi r square h. R mean radius and you need to multiply 2 times. Because bases are same, powers will be added. We need to multiply radius 2 times. And h stands for height. If we have a clue as a long, length, we can use length as a height. So if we have the word long, length, so we can take length as a height. So now we will start the question. Let's see, we have a radius is 2 centimeter and we have height equals to 5 centimeter. Then you just put the formula, volume equals to pi r square h. Pi value is 22/7 and r value is 2 centimeter. Write in the bracket and then square, and height value is 5 centimeter. For the understanding, draw the line, fractional line, and put 1 as a denominator. Now open it. 22/7 multiplied by 2 centimeter, multiplied by 2 centimeter, and then we have 5 centimeter. Multiply all the numerators. So we have to multiply all the numerators and the answer will be 440. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter, we have 3 centimeter. When the bases are same, powers will be added. So centimeter cube, 3 is called cube. So centimeter cube divided by 7, and then we will get the answer, and the answer will be 62.86 centimeter cube. Volume is always in cube. Volume is always in cube. Area is always in centimeter square, meter square, but volume is always in cube. So these are the steps for finding the volume of the cylinder. Next question we have. Let's see, we have question is, if we have a diameter, let's see, we diameter have 10 centimeter and we have a length is 2 centimeter. But first of all, check the formula. Formula is pi r square h. So how can we find the radius? Radius is diameter divided by 2. So if we have a diameter, we can put the formula and get the answer. 10 centimeter divided by 2 and the radius will be 5 centimeter. Now we have radius is 5 centimeter. And what about height? Length is also used as a height. Length is also used as a height. So it's 2 centimeter. Now put the formula volume. Volume is pi r square h. Now you need to put the values. 22/7 and r value is 5 centimeter square, write in bracket, and height is, we can use length as a height, is 2 centimeter. 1 as a denominator. Open all the values and bracket. 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter because we have a radius square, and 2 centimeter. Multiply all the numerators. So we have to multiply all the numerators and the answer will be 1100 and divided by 7. We have 3 centimeters, so bases are same, powers will be added, centimeter cube. Volume is always in centimeter cube. We have to divide this and the answer will be 157.14. We need to take 1 decimal place or 2 decimal place, because if the answer is in non-terminating decimal, so you can take only 1 decimal place and 2nd decimal place and draw the ending line. Unit of measurement is necessary to write in all these steps because it's carry mark. Thank you.